So how do you get one of these signs into ground that's about as hard as concrete? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Special Agent Gary, and I help buyers and sellers in the Corpus Christi region. Well, today's video is a little bit different. It is geared towards real estate agents, but also anybody who needs to put in a garage sale sign, maybe something for a birthday party. We're all about working smarter, not harder, right? So what you want to do is go to your discount tool store, get yourself a cordless drill with a bit that's at least 6 inches long. So that's going to be more than plenty of drill bit length to make the hole. So I'm going to show you how I actually do this. Now in South Texas, it gets mighty dry down here. We have heavy clay soil and we are in a drought. So this ground is hard and you don't want to be ruining your signs because you want to reuse these sometimes, right? So let me show you how you do that. Okay, now if I try to put this sign in this hard ground, I'm going to be bending up these prongs. And I want to use this sign again. So let's try the drill. No problemo. Let's try the balloon. Nice. Okay, there it is. So that should help you with your smaller signs. So what if you got a for sale sign that has bigger base supports that go on the ground? Well, you want to use something like this. This is called a spade bit. And this is a 1-inch size, and that'll help you make a bigger hole in the ground. So next time you're doing a sign, work smarter, not harder. And remember, my main commission is helping you. Let's try the balloon. So let's try the drill. And I am close to a tree, so it's possible there could be interference with the tree root, but let's try it.